is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures, and he leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. They comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. They comfort me. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord. Hallelujah, forever and ever. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow